never switch side, never sell out for gain. If trouble rise up, suddenly I charging out like runaway train. Me crew no loyalty secret, me protect them strong like iron gate. Any man try come cross me brethren, them me shoot it, no time for wait. If them cry out me then hear quick, come me spirit now bend nor break. Me ride for me dog till the world done, even when pressure start to leave it. We toast to loyalty, real love man fake, but me team never violate. Me hold them firm, me stand tall, me guide them through every storm with me. No slip mind, no cold heart. Me swear my crew always get me heat. If any man threaten the family code, me step clean with decisive feet. Cause real ones deserve real strength. Nothing but my loyalty incomplete. Me promise stand long like mountain steady. Me brethren them forever really. From yard to foreign journey, me circle tight like drum skin bind. No envy run through we but only trust like deep inside we mind. If them stress pan a long day, me bring vibe for raise up back the soul. Me not laugh with snake type energy, me strike fast, keep full control. We share meals, share wins, share lessons, even when life get cold or wide. And if them fall, me lift them up strong, never let them roam exile. Me walk to the farm eternal, my loyalty now get style. Me defend them loud, me defend them proud. Me with my team through heavy rain. Me strength not fade, my pride not shake. Me stand by them through joy and pain. Real loyalty, real like diamond stone, and we guard it deep like buried vein. If anybody plan I'm on new crew, we pull up swift and dismantle strength. My family chosen, my band outspoken. My commitment never go down drain. Me live for protect the ones me love, them place in my life maintain. Bloodline or not, my brethren solid. Them prove true more than many kin. We rise through stress, through heartbreak, through fights that others couldn't win. If them call me late night hours, me reach fast like lightning blast. Me never put the lip on duty, my loyalty lock deep and vast. Me share vibe, share laugh, share wisdom from days me used to live rough road. And every time life tests we pack, we hold firm, never drop the code. My spirit swear upon the bond we build, forever me carry that load. Me guard them life, me keep them safe. My heart brave when trouble get near. My words stand true, my action sure. Me protect them year after year. No weakness spreading on my soul. Me fight bold for people me hold there. If world get dark and danger right, me step forward without fear. Me loyal to right like scripture. My fam know me always here.